channel, Keep My Life More. Today's video, guys, we are going to decorate my Christmas tree, you guys. Christmas is like, y'all, I'm just all over the world when it comes to Christmas. I love all the holidays, but Christmas is one of my favorite holidays. So in today's video, we're going to do a decorate my Christmas tree with me. I'm so excited about it, you guys. So let's go ahead and get started with the video. All right, so the first thing I have to do is get on this floor, you guys. And what I like to do is go ahead and get my my ornaments together. And the reason why I like to do that is because it just takes up so much time dealing with the ornaments. As you can see, I do not have a lot of Christmas tree decor, which is okay, but I'm really, you know, excited about it anyway. So what I'm gonna do is I only got a few of the Christmas ornaments, and I also have the gold and the white snowflakes. So I'm gonna go ahead and just string these along, and then we'll go ahead and start decorating. So let's go ahead and get started, you guys. All right, you guys, let me tell you some fun facts. Like I said, I got like 30, maybe 34 Christmas actual ornaments, the circle ornaments. Let me tell you something about a Christmas tree, you guys. Fun fact. The main thing you want to do is make sure the actual focal point of your Christmas tree, like the front part of your Christmas tree, like if you have your Christmas tree, I don't know, in the window, you want to make sure all the ornaments are full, that are full if your tree is facing the window. Wherever your focal point of your tree is, you want to make sure that you have more bulbs, so to speak, you know, in that part of the tree. If that makes any sense, what I just said, guys. Just a fun fact. All right, you guys, now I'm gonna just start fluffing out the tree. This is a 7.5 foot Christmas tree. I got it from Big Lots last year. I will be getting me a flock Christmas tree, probably, if not next year. I want to get one of those. Those are very pretty, you guys. But I'm just gonna fluff out the tree, and you'll be seeing later on the video, you guys, where I try to apply the ribbon to my tree. And I try to do it the way that I see a lot of people on YouTube doing. They actually, you know, take a piece of the ribbon, curve it over, and then tuck it into the tree itself, and they just do that same constant repeated pattern. But I tried that and it wasn't working for me, so I did come up with another way, and I think it turned out really pretty. So just let me know in the description box below, you know, how do you guys decorate when it comes to your ribbon on your tree? All right, you guys, I got this ribbon from Big Lots, and it was like $4, and I love it. It's like a lace type of ribbon. It's absolutely beautiful. I love the way it looks. And I want to tell you a little bit about the color themes that I'm going to have in my living room area. And for the living room area this year, I'm going to go with the gold, the royal blue, and the white. So those are the colors that I'll be having in the living room. All right, you guys, here are the final results of my tree. You guys, I think it turned out so beautiful. It's so pretty. You guys see what I did with the garland? I had to do like this, I don't know, this drop down type. I don't know, but I just had to come up with something. You guys, it's so freaking pretty. I love the way the tree looks. It's absolutely gorgeous. You guys, let me know, if you have any other ideas that or tricks or something, how you like to place your garland on the tree. But I just wanted to do something a little bit different. And again, I love the way my tree turned out. You guys, stay tuned for my upcoming decorate me video for my living room. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, you guys.